In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete events on Samsung Calendar. First, open Samsung Calendar. You will see a clean interface that displays your calendar view. Depending on your preference, you might be in month, week, or day view. This step is important because navigating to your calendar is the first action needed to manage your events. You want to ensure you are looking at the correct calendar, especially if you have multiple calendars synced. Once you have the calendar open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make it easier as you move forward. Next, select the date with the event you wish to delete. You will notice a grid representing the days of the month. Each day may contain dots or highlights indicating events. Find the specific date where the event is scheduled. This is crucial because if you select the wrong date, you may not find the correct event. Pay attention to any indicators that suggest multiple events on that day. Once you tap on the date, it will zoom in, making your task clearer. Now tap the event you want to delete. Upon tapping, a detailed view of the event will open. Here, you can see all the information related to the event, including the time, location, and any notes you may have added. This step is significant because it confirms that you are about to delete the correct event. Take a moment to review the details to ensure you're not removing something important. If everything looks good, you can proceed to the next step. After that, tap Delete. A prompt will appear to confirm your action. This confirmation is essential because it prevents accidental deletions. You want to ensure that you really want to remove this event. The prompt may have options such as OK or Cancel. Make sure to tap on the OK option to confirm the deletion. This helps ensure that your changes are intentional and not just a mistake. Finally, tap Move to Trash or Move to Recycle Bin if your device has that option. This action places the event in a temporary storage area rather than deleting it permanently. It allows you the chance to recover the event later if needed. Understanding this process is important because it offers peace of mind. You won't lose the event permanently right away. After tapping, you will see a confirmation that the event has been moved to the trash or recycle bin. In summary, deleting an event from the Samsung Calendar is a straightforward process. You open the calendar, select the date, tap on the event, choose Delete, and finally move it to the trash or recycle bin. Each of these steps is designed to make the event management process simple and effective. If you follow these instructions carefully, you will have successfully deleted your unwanted event. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your Samsung Calendar management.